Welcome back to Mr. I Got Something to Say, aka Gangster Turn Junker. Now today's episode, man, we got something good for you guys, man. I'm bringing back 2003 Mercury Marauder, and today, guess what we're gonna do? You've got mail. Yes, sir. We about to get these ugly headlights out of my car, man. And we're gonna get this car piece by piece back to looking in immaculate condition, guys. Now, these headlights, I brought these on eBay. Look at that. I brought these on eBay, guys. Hold on. You put that down. I know you're like, yeah, you gonna scratch the paint, and I just waxed it. Look at that. Trying to come right off. But anyways, I bought these on eBay, guys. I paid and this goes to the other side, but I paid $143, and that's for both headlights and side pieces. These side pieces don't look too bad, but I don't know if I'm gonna take them off. It's a factory too. But yeah, guys. So like I said, in this episode, man, we're gonna get these ugly headlights out, man. You know, a lot of people try to clean these, but I mean, look, man, you see when there's water in there, you're not gonna do nothing but just cause more damage to the actual bulbs and the actual pigtails, because of the condensation is gonna be getting inside of the wires, guys. So you're better off, once you see water is getting in the headlights, man, just replace them, man. You know, it don't cost nothing, man. Like I said, I woke up this morning, man, and put a nice little wax job on her, man. Here, while y'all already here, I'm gonna show you guys what I used. Used that McGuire's Swirl X swirl remover, and I mean that thing, it got that thing looking pretty. Like I said, man, I'm gonna keep this car in immaculate condition. Then I'm gonna eventually get it painted. I'm gonna go right back black. So guys, I'm gonna get these headlights out. Y'all tune in and learn something else, man, on your Mercury Marauder. Let's get it. Hey guys, just want to show you the difference. At first I was contemplating on just leaving those in, but when I look at the brand new ones, they gotta come out too, man. Look at that. You really can't tell, but these are like, instead of it being crystal clear like those are like really like hazy, grayish looking. Plus I just noticed that water is getting in those also, so we're definitely gonna go ahead and swap those out too, guys. Let's get it. Hey guys, and here's the name of the company that make the headlights, guys. Sorry about that, but definitely just want to let you guys know that. And like I said, I will leave a link in the description, guys. Look at them there. Woo. What a set of headlights to do to a car, guys. Also, my wife just ordered me a Marauder plate for my birthday, guys. So that'll be in too, man. So let's get it. Hey guys, I just want to give you one more video of the before and after, man, and what these headlights look like before they get changed. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. So listen, I'm gonna do this video, try to make it quick, easy, and simple, and not do too much talking, guys. So here we go. So of course you're gonna pop the hood. So the first thing you're gonna need to do to get started, you're gonna have these little clips, one here, and then one there, guys. Then you should lift that right on out of there, guys. See? Put that down. And like 9 times out of 10, your little clips, like if they're like, man, they're gonna break. Man, we're old. But anyway, so you're gonna have, looks like a 8mm, 1, 2, and 3 on both sides, guys. 1, 2, and then 3. So let me get the 8mm. Right back. Hey guys, so like I said, you're gonna have 3 8mm bolts to take the first front headlight out. So we'll go ahead and crank these out. Super simple, super easy, guys. You don't have to be, you know, the best mechanic in the world to do this job here. This is, you know, pretty simple, guys. And that's why I stated before, why people love these cars. Super easy to work on, guys. So, all right. So that's 1, there's 2. And I think, guys, oh man, there was only 2 holding it in, guys. So that's what they look like, 2 8mm bolts. Now, I should be able. Okay, come on. Ooh. So I just broke my grill, but I don't think. Ah, okay. Wait. I don't think the grill. Okay, hold on. Okay, so one right there, we're good. So that's already broke. We got another 8, another 10 over here. So, hey guys, make sure you take your grill out, man. So, hey guys, so yeah, remember, man, when you're doing these headlights, make sure you got to take out your grill, which ain't nothing but gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm bolts, guys. Very easy to get to. So you're gonna come around here, and if you look up under, they're right here. 1, go all the way down. You see the hose? That's what they are, guys. 10mm bolts. I broke my grill, but the good thing about this is I can take the 10mm off from here and just put it on one of these, and it'll still hold perfect, guys. So ain't no biggie. But back to the headlights. Yeah, man, y'all see it, man. Getting the side markers out now. Those bolts are not a 10, they're gonna be a 12mm, guys. Yeah, guys, so show them, babe. Show them the side marker. Finally got that in. It is. Here's the old one on the ground. Get that one out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the passenger side headlight in, guys. Like I said, guys, don't put it super tight, because you will crack the headlight and your plastic, guys. So alright, show them, babe. So that side is done. Y'all see it? It looks 1,000 times better, guys. So new headlight, new marker, guys. So now we're gonna come on over here. Watch your step, babe. Yeah, so finally got it done, man. Hope this video was educational for you, and it was very simple. Like I said, there's nothing but a total of 5 bolts holding on your headlight assemblies, both the side markers and your front headlights, and then there's 6 bolts to take the grill off. Remember, guys, take your grill off, because if not, you're gonna break your grill like I did. Now check out that beauty, guys. Check out the beauty, man. Look at the before and look at the after, guys. Like I told you, guys, these lights cost me $140, and they came with the side marker and the headlight, guys. I will leave the link in the description below. If you like the content that I'm bringing to you guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, man. Like it, share the video. We're gonna be doing a lot of work to this car, man. Like I said, motor work, trans work, rim work, brake work, just any and everything, man, that we can do to the Marauder, and just keep it educational, man, and, you know, give you guys game on this classic car, guys. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and now I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna go to a video of the before and after of the headlights. Peace.
Today was gonna be a good day. Thought today was gonna be a good day. Thought today was gonna be a good day. But it was. Thought today was gonna be a big good day. Thought today was gonna be a big good day. Thought today was gonna be a big good day. But it was. You ain't know, man. Woke up in the morning, counting my ends. Picked up the phone, had to call my friend. Told him the plug on the way. It's time to get it in. The plug said we need to talk about you and your friend.